Mrs. Khursanoi, a very pleasant lady from Uzbekistan, was suffering from hepatitis B and cirrhosis of liver for a long time. She was having water in her tummy, she was having jaundice, and she was really suffering. And the only way forward for her was a liver transplantation.
O'zbekistondanman, Zeynob shahridanman. 4 ta farzandim bor. Mana shu kasallikka 25 yil bo'ldi. 25 yillik kasalim davolanish kelib qolgan mana shu 3 yilga
O'zbekistonning Qashqadaryo viloyati Yakkabog' tumanida tug'ilganman. Yoshim 37 yoshda. Menda gepatit B, D simptomi aniqlangan. Kelganimda jigar holati juda yomon edi. Meni mana shu Max klinikasi orqali.
And when coming here, all the patients as well as the donors undergo extensive evaluation in Max Hospital as per standard international protocol. And when we evaluated them, we found their blood groups to be different. They were not matching. So it was a problem for this patient and her sister because they had no other option. They had no other donor. On the other hand, there was another lovely lady from Uzbekistan, Mrs. Maklio. She also suffers from hepatitis B induced cirrhosis of liver. She was having forgetfulness. She was having water in her tummy, which was frequently getting infected, and she was in a lot of distress. And her sister, Mrs. Makhayo, was the only available donor in her family. But they knew that their blood groups were different. They had come to us for a blood group mismatch, which we clinically call an ABO incompatible liver transplantation. So we looked for an way forward. We brought the two families together and offered them an option of doing a swab transplant. What is the challenge of the swab transplant is that the two liver transplants have to proceed simultaneously on the same day at the same moment of time. So this involves 4 transplant theaters. This involves 2 donor surgeries and 2 recipient surgeries simultaneously, and this also needs a team which has the expertise of conducting 2 liver transplants at the same time in terms of volume, in terms of manpower, in terms of logistic support. For the patients, Mrs. Maklio and Mrs. Khursanoi, both of them made a slow and gradual recovery. They were put on medications, they were in the ICU for 5 to 7 days, and then they were shifted down to the ward where they started eating normally, they're moving normally, and now they are quite fit and fine to be discharged from the hospital. So the donors made an uneventful recovery. They stayed with us for around 10 days and then they were discharged. Now they are moving around and walking and speaking. They have minimum wound pain and they are quite happy. They can eat anything they want and are on a normal, healthy lifestyle.
Opamga digar bermoqchi edim, qon guruhim to'g'ri kelmagani uchun o'z ixtiyorim bilan Khursanoi onamga jigarimdan berdim. Max doktorxonasi hamda doktorlariga o'z minnatdorchiligimni bildiraman.
kelib mana shu yerga avval ko'rib kelishgan. Bizlar chet elga bizlarni qanday qabul qiladi, bizlarni qanday nima qiladi deb kelsak bu yerga boshqacha, hamma narsa boshqacha ekan.
Rahmat Max klinikasini doktorlariga, Subhash Gupta bobomizga, Rajish bobomizga rahmat. Hozir meni ahvolim juda yaxshi. Men o'z ixtiyorim bilan opamga mana shu jigar berishga kelganman.